ये बड़े बच्चों की बात हो रही है, 8-9 साल के, 5-7
जी,
साल।
कॉलर भी हमारे साथ हैं जी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
जी वालेकुम सलाम। I wanted to ask a question about my daughter.
Okay, fine. Can you please give me your daughter's name?
Yeah, she's called Noor Fatima Abbas.
Noor
Mashallah.
Fatima
Abbas, yeah.
Abbas.
Noor Fatima Abbas.
Okay, Noor Fatima Abbas.
अब्बास, ठीक है।
Okay, so and what's your name?
Do I have to give my name? Can I give my date of birth?
You can give your first letter.
S.
F for faculty.
No, S for sugar.
S for sugar.
S for sugar. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, assalamu alaikum sister.
Ji walaikum salam.
Sister, I can't hear you. Your voice is very, very low.
She want to know about her daughter.
Daughter, how old is it? Can you give your daughter's date of birth, sister?
Yeah, her date of birth is 25th April 2013.
25th
April 2013, this year.
13, yes.
Yes, this year.
Acha, what problem are you facing?
Well, at the moment, she was born very tiny and she was born with a liver problem. She's jaundice. And I want to see, like my son had this problem, and then when he was 4, he had to have a liver transplant. Now she's got the condition, but she's not as sick as him, but she's still very jaundiced. She's got all yellow eyes, yellow face.
Yellow eyes, yes.
And I want to see, like, what can I read for her, or what can I do to make her better?
Yeah.
We've given lots of and everything, but is there anything I can read for her?
Yeah, I'll just tell you. Just give me 2 seconds.
With her health?
Yeah.
But be in contact with GP first.
Yeah, first you need to stay in contact with your GP constantly.
Yeah, she's being treated at the hospital.
Yeah, whatever I tell you will be from the Quran and from Ilmul Adad and the different spiritual, knowledge. Acha, now tell me one thing. Your husband's first letter, can I have that as well?
Yeah, his is Z.
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 Acha,
Yeah,
now
Z.
the other thing is, tell me one thing. Can you give me your door number as well?
186.
186. ठीक है. अच्छा, now the $1 million question. When she was born, was her name different or now it's different?
No, this is her name, but I'm not sure if this name suits her. I want to ask you, shall I change her name?
No, that's what I'm asking you, that when she was born, when you all gave her Akika, or when she was born, was someone else calling her something different to this name?
No, we had a lot of different names in mind, but we wasn't sure what to call her until she was about, I think, 2 weeks. We wasn't sure what to call her.
Maybe
before those 2 weeks, what were you calling her at that time?
We were thinking of Alina. We wasn't calling her one name in particular. We were thinking of Alina, Zara, just different names, not one particular name.
Yeah. Did you ever think of Saira?
Saira?
Saira, Sara or Saira or something like that. No?
No.
ठीक है. अच्छा, now the other thing is so इसका मतलब ये है कि you gave the Akika on Noor Fatima.
No, Akika we gave it like, you know, when she was born, that she had no name and we had already given the Akika.
हाँ, तो ये गलती कर दी ना बाजी. Akika नाम के साथ होता है.
Oh, actually. No, फिर बाद वैसे we gave a bakra before, and then when we had kept her, I think Noor, and then we said चलो फिर एक देश होने. We did again Akika. I think it was on Noor's name.
Noor or Noor Fatima. There's a very big difference between Noor and Noor Fatima. This is entirely different. They're 2 different things. They're like poles apart. But I need to know exactly, did you do the Akika on Noor Fatima or just Noor?
Well, we told them the name Noor Fatima, but they did in Pakistan, so I'm not sure how
they must have done
there.
it. When you told them to do it Noor Fatima, so they must have done it. That's not the issue here. ठीक है. अब एक काम करें.
जी.
And अच्छा, has she got any elder brothers, sisters, or something like that?
Yeah, she's got 2 elder brothers.
Can I have their names, please?
Yeah, the first one's called Muhammad Hafiz. He was ill like her. He was
Muhammad
ill
Hafiz.
for 4 years.
Muhammad Hafiz, yeah.
Yeah, and
Habib Mirza.
Habib Mirza.
Habib Mirza. अच्छा, ठीक है. अच्छा, ये मुझे बताएं कि tell me one thing. After Habib was born, did you all face a bit of difficulties?
Like in what sense?
Like in one sense that you went into like depression and then a lot of a bit of problems like might be financial.
Yeah, we did have a lot of problems. Yeah.
After he was born, ठीक है.
Yeah.
Now the funny thing I'll tell you here is you need to change Habib's name.
Habib's name.
Yes, this is what needs to be
But
changed.
he's healthy. He was the one that was healthy.
ये देखें healthy से नहीं है but वो खुद तो healthy है बाकी जो है ना मसाइल बहुत हैं उस नाम के साथ. It's very difficult to explain. I can't explain it on air. But whatever I'm seeing, I'm telling you. ठीक है ना? And this is all numerology जिसको कहते हैं Islamic ilmul adad हरूफ अबजद.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Now, if you can do one thing, can you put down Muhammad Habib?
Muhammad Habib. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah.
Yeah, just Muhammad Habib. मोहम्मद डाल लेने से 90% मुश्किलात तो वैसे हल हो जाती हैं कि रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का नाम है.
Yeah.
ठीक
And you
है
know the first son, Muhammad Hafiz, उसका नाम ठीक है क्योंकि he is very zippy and lot of people were telling me he उसके साथ साया है. That's why he's like
लेकिन ये
this,
इस तरह की
that's why
बात तो
he's
ऑन एयर
this.
ना करें तो बेहतर है क्योंकि वो ऑपरेटर वहाँ से काट देगा फ़ोन. लेकिन एक बात ये मैं बता दूं, देखिए मैंने जो बात कर दी, बिलीव मी आई नो व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट because we are doing this above 100 years. My grandfather used to do it, my father used to do it, now I'm sitting in his place. So we know exactly which name stands where.
So I'll change Muhammad Habib to Muhammad Habib and inshallah change Noor Fatima's name because I'm not sure about it.
हाँ, नूर फातिमा का जो है ना, it's not that simple. If you want,
Yeah. Tell me a good name that will make her life better.
yeah, मैं बता देता हूँ आपको. अगर नाम रखना है ना इनका दूसरा, if you want to change it,
Yeah.
हाँ, लेकिन नूर फातिमा के अदद बनते हैं 4 टोटल. ठीक है ना? इसको वैसे हेल्थ इश्यू तो नहीं होना. What was your door number you said? 186.
186 लेकिन इसका पूरा नाम है नूर फातिमा अब्बास.
अब्बास तो फादर का नाम होगा ना?
That's his surname.
Yeah. तो
So I think this name might not be good for her because we're having a lot of health issues.
I'll give me 2 minutes. Let me think. If you had देखिए बाजी, नूर फातिमा में नाम में कोई ऐसा मसला नहीं है. ये तो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट नेम्स है कि नूर जो है वो मोहम्मद से सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को बताता है और फातिमा जो है दैट इज़ खुद एक शफा का नाम. ठीक है ना? उसके अंदर चेंज करना जो है ना, द अदर प्रॉब्लम इज कि बनता 4 है. अगर कोई और चीज़ मिलाते हैं, इट हैज़ टू बी टोटल 2 टू गेट आउट ऑफ दीज हेल्थ इश्यूज.
You can tell me any name, I'm not bothered as long as it makes her health and life better.
हाँ, एक तो ये लिख लें, पढ़ने को बताता हूँ. नाम अभी पीछे से कुछ बहाव होता है तो बताता हूँ. पढ़ने को लिख लें, 2 चीज़ें बताता हूँ मैं.
जी.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम 1100 times every day.
1100 times. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yeah. And the other thing you need to read is या मजीदो.
या मजीदो.
या मजीदो. मजीद नहीं, MAJEED, उसको या मजीदो. Just put a O at the end. या मजीदो.
How many times?
This you'll have to do 570 times. अच्छा, read both the things on water and then make all the children drink this. And the other thing I'll tell you is that you have to do this on a daily basis. This problem won't finish off in like 10 days, 20 days or a month. You have to continue doing it until all issues are resolved.
जी, carry on doing it, yeah.
ठीक है? और इसके लिए नक्श का भी इस्तेमाल, लेकिन आई कांट डू इट रही है. एक काम करें
जी.
go on the internet
जी.
and write Bismillah Zul Kitabat or Bismillah Naqsh.
Bismillah Zul Kitabat.
Yeah, or Bismillah Naqsh.
Bismillah Naqsh.
Yeah, just write that, and then what you do is just take out a print of it and put it in the daughter's neck. ठीक है ना?
Put it in her neck.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
ठीक है ना, उससे भी हेल्थ में फ़र्क आएगा, थोड़ा बहुत आएगा क्योंकि कॉपी होगी, बट स्टिल इट विल मेक अ डिफरेंस।